Hi, good afternoon. Chris Hurst here with Tim Hodgson from Command Light and Superman. So we want to talk about some fantastic fans. No, I'm just kidding. So anyway, Tim, the positive pressure fans are kind of all the rage with batteries and everything. Anything new going on with them? I know we've had now anywhere from 16-inch to 20-inch on the fans. 18-inch still kind of the most popular that we see.
Yeah, 18-inch historically has been the most popular size simply because of the compartment size. But we're offering two 16 inches, one with wheels, one without wheels, the 18 and the 20, 5 different battery platforms, options of shore power, no shore power. Of course, our fans are all aluminum with steel shrouds, steel grills, so they're built for the long haul.
Yeah, 5 battery platforms. So you guys have a wide variety. So if you have any kind of batteries you're using, their commercial batteries, pretty much you adapt that to a lot of the fan platforms that you have.
Exactly.
So one of the other things I kind of want to show you is let's talk a little bit about, if you already have one of the fans, a newer product that's come out is kind of these tripod light stands that you have.
Correct.
So what's great about that, you can use the same batteries you're using to power your fan, right? So now put in a very industrial looking tripod, right? And then talk a little bit about the lights that are available to put on the tripods for a scene light and where you might use some of that stuff.
Sure. Several different light lamps available, all LEDs. We have things from 75 watts all the way up to, actually 60 watts all the way up to 220 watts. Brands like FRC, High Vis, FireTech, Whalen. So we offer several different lamp choices. The same 5 battery choices that are available on the fans are also available on the tripods. They're all aluminum, extruded aluminum construction, so they're built very robustly. Options like shore power, 12 volt, can be mounted to the outside of the truck, can be put on a tool board on the inside. And also have, like this one here with the verbiage board on it, we also have a traffic advisor.
I think the verbiage board, think about the county fairs, right?
Right.
Maybe you're doing a rehab center. I mean, I'm just thinking informational stuff, right? Public relation type things if guys are out there. So, but some people may go, what the heck do I need a message board for? But share that information, get the word out, things of that nature. But really a neat product, very versatile. You can change that out, put a light head on there.
Correct.
And use that inside a building. Maybe there's a car wreck you need to get down and get rid of some shadows that one of your great light towers might be producing. So a lot of different things to do.
One of the largest uses with the LED lamps on it is, interior's great. There's a lot of small lights out there on the market that seem to work okay internal. But when you get on the C side of a building, that's where it's really dark. So you get on the back side where, you really don't have any light, and you can put one of our LEDs up. Now you're lighting up another scene for you on the back side where maybe you can't get the truck back there with your light tower.
That's a great idea.
Yeah.
It's a fantastic idea. Portable, lightweight.
Exactly.
Get a lot of light.
2 different sizes, 40 inch and 50 inch. That's a stored height. So depending on what you need, we can take care of it.
Yeah. All right. Sounds good. Fantastic. Thank
Awesome.
you very much, Tim.
Thanks, Chris.
We greatly appreciate it.
Yes, thank you.